Hello dear friends, today we see the peroxisomal fatty acid oxidation. Peroxisomes are organelles present in most eukaryotic cells and is a place in plants where complete process of beta oxidation occurs. The beta oxidation occurs in a modified form in peroxisomes. Acyl-CoA dehydrogenase leads to the formation of FADH2 as in beta oxidation. The reducing equivalents from FADH2 are not transferred to the electron transport chain but handed over directly to oxygen. This results in the formation of H2O2, which is cleaved by catalase. There is no ATP synthesized in peroxisomal beta oxidation of fatty acids. It is now believed that the peroxisomes carry out the initial oxidation of very long chain fatty acids up to 20 carbon, which is followed by mitochondrial beta oxidation. Peroxisomal oxidation is induced by high fat diet. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.